Go ahead. What is that, Theron?
Yeah, that's where the rabbit was at.
Yeah, that's called a rabbit form. He was hiding right in that little hole.
See where he kicked up right through there. Well, and we both pulled the trigger and came up empty. But there's more than one, yeah.
Yeah.
Right there.
That's his rabbit tracks. Yeah, that could be the same rabbit though.
Yeah, you can see where the other one went that way, and one went this way.
What was
Look.
the other form?
I don't know.
They both wouldn't have been sharing the same form. The rabbits don't like each
maybe
other.
right there. There's a big puff.
It looked just exactly.
Stuff right there.
Yeah, that could be one. It looked exactly like that little hole that you just saw. Well, let me try and shoot my gun.
Yeah, there's a few of them pick off right through there.
I saw two rabbits.
Yep.
Which is great. Let me tell you what, that's great. 2 rabbits.
Yeah, and I think one of us would have got that one too.
I would have got him. I was right on him. And I click. Yeah. Oh, this is why I had it loaded with chapstick.
You got it loaded with
well,
chapstick.
My gun didn't go off. Take a look up inside there. You see that shell? I put a 16 gauge shell in a 12 gauge shotgun.
Yeah, that's not good. Can you get it out?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a stick and poke it back out. Okay. That was pretty stupid of me.
Ream it out. Yeah, you got to make sure you grab the right ammo. That's the lesson today.
If it don't come out, guess what?
Well, shit, I'd like to think that I'm smart enough to pull the hammer back too, but it'd be fucked if I didn't.
This ain't gonna work for me. I'm gonna need a smaller butt weight. You know what? It's not gonna need a thinner one yet.
I want to kayak this sometime.
Looks like it'd be,
There's a put-in right up. Actually, it's down there, and you take out down this way somewhere.
there's a house over there. I don't think it's safe to cross.
Well. Huh?
See here, 3, 2, 1. And it jammed. Of course it did. What the hell's wrong with my gun today? Across that creek. Rabbits in here. We need to get out of this. We can't make this happen. He's right. We're not on that guy's land. me a film it?
Hell yeah.
Oh, fuck. That's not a good sign. You're gonna get me out if I go in, right?
I'll throw a stick out there for you to grab a hold of. Pull you back. Oh. There's nothing but ice all the way through here, man. Jeez. Whoa. Yeah, it is. It looks like it'd be about knee deep if we go through.